Hello children, welcome to online session. Today we are going to learn about the coastal plains and coastal islands. This is your 6th unit of social science. So in this whole lesson we will discuss about these two things. One is plains, another one is island. In the plain session, western coastal plain and eastern coastal plains. In island session, we will discuss about Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Island. Children, can you see this picture? See, this is the coastal plains and island area. Here they have marked in the green color. So these are called coastal plains and islands. Andaman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep Island. See here the Lakshadweep Island is there. India has long coastal line which is more than 6,000 kilometers long. These coastal lines start from Gulf of Kutch in the northwest direction and go southwards along with the Arabian Sea. From Kanyakumari, it will move northwards along the Bay of Bengal to reach up to West Bengal. The coastal plain of our country is divided into two parts. What are the two parts? Western coastal plain and eastern coastal plains. Children, in this slide, we will discuss about western coastal plain. The western coastal plain is a narrow strip of land stretched between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Western coastal plain is divided into three divisions: Konkan coast, Canara coast and Malabar coast. See, this Konkan coast is there, no? This coast is covers the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa. Canara coast, it is comprises the coastline of Karnataka, and third division Malabar coast, it is covering the whole Kerala state. Tapti and Narmada, Mandovi and Zurai. So these are the rivers draining the west coast. These rivers flowing from estuaries. Children, what is the meaning of estuaries? See, this is the picture of estuary. Estuary is a funnel shaped outlet formed at the mouth of river. The western coastal plain, because of its broken and uneven nature, it is having lot of cracks and inlets. The sea water, it will enter such inlets and form salt water. This salt water will create the salt lake. Salt lake is separated by the deposition of sand called sandbar. We will discuss sandbar in the next slide. Children, what is the meaning of sandbars? The sea water enters such inlets and forms saltwater lakes separated by deposition of sand is called sandbars. The shallow bodies of water are called lagoons or backwater. See, this is the picture of lagoon, or we can call backwaters. This is the shallow body of water. The state of Kerala is very famous for lagoons. Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Diamond and Diu are the states lie along the coastal plain. I repeat, which are the states is very famous. Kerala state is very famous, and along with the Kerala coastal plain they are mentioning, especially Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Goa. Union territories Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu are lie along with the coastal plains. In this slide, we will learn about eastern coastal plains. This eastern coastal plain is situated in between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. The Eastern Ghats is much eroded range than the Western Ghats. They extended from River Narmada in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, and it comprises the states of Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The eastern coastal plain having two divisions. First one is northern Sircas and second one is Coromandel coast. The northern part of the eastern coastal plain is called northern Sircas. The south part of eastern coastal plain is called Coromandel coast. In eastern coastal plains, some rivers are flowing and it's making the delta. Which are the rivers are flowing, children? See, rivers like Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanati and Godavari. They form their delta along with the eastern coastal plains. These deltas are very fertile and it is called a rice bowl of India. Large number of people earn their living by fishing in the eastern coastal plains. Kolkata, Chennai, Paradeep and Visakhapatnam are the important seaport cities in the eastern coastal plains. Children, already I told in previous slide, in this whole lesson, only two topics is there. One is the coastal plains. Now another topic is coastal island. Okay, now we will discuss about the coastal island. In the coastal island, there are two islands. The Andaman Nicobar Island, it is there in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Island, it is in the Arabian Sea. First one, Andaman Nicobar Island. So this is the picture of Andaman Nicobar Island. See how beautifully the appearance of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Here there are two groups of island which is there in the Bay of Bengal, and it's consisting about 300 islands. See, in this Andaman Nicobar Island, totally 300 islands are situated together. The northern island are known as Andaman Island and southern island is called Nicobar Island. They combine to form a union territory of India. The capital of Andaman Nicobar is Port Blair. Only a few of the islands are inhabited. Most of the people live in forest in groups of tribes. They are called as tribals. There is one more point, Indra Point. The southernmost point on the island is called Indra Point. It is also the southernmost part of India. In the Andaman and Nicobar Island, people are making to grow rice and coconut. Rice and coconut are the main crops of these islands. Children, next island is Lakshadweep Island. See the structure of Lakshadweep Island, how beautiful it is. These are the group of 30 islands. It is very closer to Malabar coast. They combine to form a union territory. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep Island. Many of these islands are made up of deposits of the skeleton of an animal. It is called coral. So we are calling Lakshadweep as Coral Island. Children, we will discuss about the climate, the coastal plain and the coastal island, how the climate will be. Listen children, the coastal plains of Peninsular India have a tropical humid climate. They have influenced by the seas and experience a moderate climate which is neither too hot nor too cold. So it will not be too much cold, at the same time it will not be too much hot. Okay, neither too cold nor too cold. It is also affected by the seasonal winds. The southwest direction of monsoons bring heavy rainfall to the western coastal plain. This rainfall will be June to September. The eastern coastal plain gets heavy rainfall during October and November month. The climate exists in the island. It is called maritime climate, which is moderate in the nature. Children, now in the coastal island and the coastal plains, how the people are living? The people of eastern coastal plain are mainly farmers as it encloses many fertile deltas. The people who is living in coastal plains, they bring very fertile with pleasant climate. They support a very large population. The people of western coastal plain are mainly fishermen. They are known for their skills in making of handicraft, using cord, shell, etc. Some of the tribal people living in the island group are still their hunters or food gatherers. Next, major ports of the western plains and the eastern coastal plains. Ports are cities with harbors where the ships are anchored. Which are the major ports? Kochi, Mangalore, Calicut, Mormugao, Mumbai and Kandla. So these are the important major ports. Haldia, Paradeep, Visakhapatnam, Chennai and Thoothukudi. So these are the major ports on the eastern coast area. Mumbai is the biggest port in India and Visakhapatnam and Kochi have shipbuilding yards. Children, the deltas of a major river of the east coast which have very fertile alluvial soil are important for the agriculture. Fishing is the major occupation of the people on the west coast and they export fish to other country. The beaches or the coastal plains, the beaches of the coastal plains is very attractive place for the tourism people. The seaport on the coastal plain help in the development of trade with another countries. Children, we come to end of the session. I hope you understood this lesson. Please take textbook. Along with the textbook, please watch this PPT one more time. Please make it to understand. We will meet you in next session. Thank you so much.